So on today's 2-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block yourself from Microsoft Clarity. That way you're not seeing cloudy data. There's nothing worse than thinking your website's doing really well, people are engaging, people are adding to cart, and then you notice that it's just yourself and you're testing. So the first thing you have to do is find out what your IP is, and you can go to whatsmyip.com, and then you can find it pretty easily there. But I have mine, so I'm going to show you how to block it. So go to Settings, and then on the left, right there, IP blocking. They make it easy for you, which is nice. And then you just put yourself, and there we have it. Now we're not going to be tracking our own information. Now, if you have a complex building and there's a lot of people in it that might not be associated with your account that may actually be users, there's another way that you can get in there and block yourself that doesn't blanket the entire IP. And I'm going to show you how to do that next. So now I'm going to show you how to block yourself, but not your entire IP, just in case you've got a complicated network of people around you that aren't associated with you, but it might actually be users. So go back to your dashboard, and then you're going to hit Filters. All the way down here to Custom Filters then. And what you're going to want to do is locate yourself, that's me, in the user behavior, which I can also show you, and then hit Exclude Selection. So what that means is this filter is now excluding that one user, which is me. There we go. Now, the most likely way to find yourself is right here in the top users. 27 sessions. This is a very small site. You can click on that and it'll give you your user profile. A lot of the time it could be you, it could be not you, but if you know for a fact that you did something on the site and it appears under that profile, then it's most likely you. So that's how you block yourself.